Can you believe it? There's something in this box that is legendary. First impressions out of the box. Very cool. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna open it now. Oh my gosh. You just peel here and... Boy, you look at that, people. It's a new MacBook Pro! All right, here we go, folks. This MacBook Pro that I have has lasted me from 2012 up until 2020. It has been there with me through thick and thin. All the assignments I've had in school, video editing for fun, playing video games here and there, I've achieved rank 1 in World of Warcraft on this laptop. But alas, it is time for me to upgrade. You know, as many people do these days, technology is getting better and you just need faster and better devices. I am in grad school now. I want to make more YouTube videos. I want to have a machine that's fast. I want to have a machine that's powerful. I want to have a MacBook Pro 16-inch computer. Fun. See, we've got a USB-C cable in here. Instructions, and a power brick. Let's open this. And look at that. It turns on. This is the size of my hand.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. First impressions out of the box. Very cool. I'm just going to work on setting it up. This is the home screen. Very cool. Very cool. So now I'm set up with the computer. I'm just gonna mess around with it, download some applications, but I think that's gonna be it for this video. I'm just insanely excited to use this bad boy. This is, here I'll show you really quick. So this is just the base model. 6-core i7, 16 gigabytes RAM, and it's got that graphics card too. 500 gigabytes of storage too. So like for me, I've done a lot of research on MacBook Pros and laptops. For me, what I'm doing for school, for video editing as a hobby, just for being creative on the side, for playing video games a little bit, not really too much. To have a machine that's gonna do everything and like not lag, not give you any issues, and it's reliable, I think I'm gonna be very happy with this. I hope this laptop lasts me for the next 5 to 10 years. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go! New laptop, yeah!